Hello, my name is Malarvannan. In this video, we will look into one of the AnalyticKit Web 2 tool called Funnel. We will see how to set up funnel, how to collect data and measure it. So go to dpa.analytickit.com login and then enter your email ID and password to log into AnalyticKit SaaS product. Once you log in, as you know, you will see the dashboard. I think we discussed this in the previous videos. You will see if you are logging it for the first time, you won't see anything. But if you are use the tool a couple of times, then you will see that your previous activity and all the new visitors and then the recent recordings on the dashboard. For this video, we are going to look into how to set up a funnel tool. For that, click the Analytics, and then on the right side, you choose the funnel. See, the funnel tool is basically it will help you to see how many users are coming into your first page or first step and second step, third step in your buying process. Say if you have a decentralized application for NFT tokens, you can see how many users came into your first website and then how many users saw the product page, different NFTs. And then the third stage, how many users bought some NFTs after visiting the website. So you can see total how many users came into the first step, second step, third step, or however many steps you have, and then you can see. And this tool helps you to give you information what exactly is happening and each and every step. In case of say 100 users came in on your first step, only 2 users bought NFT at the final step, and you can see what exactly the reason behind that and what you need to improve. Are they having issue using your digital app, decentralized application, or if they are using a website, if there is any issue in the website, or you need to do what you need to do in the marketing campaign. Okay, now we will see how to set up the funnel tool. Once you come into the funnel, you can change the name. Just going to call it as a test funnel and then save, and you can put description, test description. Okay, set description. And then in the steps, all you need to do is you need to set up the steps, however many steps you have. For the first step, you can choose the events. Again, you need to set up the tools based on the events. Say if you have a product page, then you will see the product event. If you have a shopping cart page, then you will see a shopping cart event here. So like that, it automatically captured, and then the AnalyticKit tool creates all those events based on the user activity, visitor activity on your D app or website. And those events are all stored in the database, and you can choose which event you want to be the first step. In this case, I'm going to use the page view as my first event. Page view is a pretty generic. Anytime any user comes into your website, they access, then the page view is created. So you create the first step, and then the second step, I want to see, say, auto capture. Again, auto capture is the another event automatically created based on your user activity. See, instantly, whenever I select this first and second step, on the right side, you can see the total number of visitors who came in the first step, and then however many users came for the second step. So out of 366 visitors, only 6 visitors came into the second step. And then I can add a third step also. Say I'm choosing wallet login, and see this wallet login, I think I explained in the previous videos. You can go and take a look what exactly wallet login is. Anybody comes into your website, if they have wallet plugin installed, then if they use the plugin to wallet to log in, then those events will be captured and stored in AnalyticKit database. See, in this case, you can see the among the 3 steps, so 366 visitors came in the first step, the 6 visitors came in the second step, and then only 1 visitor came in the final step. So if you assume wallet login is your ultimate goal, then it's only 1 user came, and you have to see what exactly the reason and who are all these 1 visitor, and then you can see if you can do anything to make sure that most of your 366 initial visitors can able to convert into wallet login. So like that, you can set up this tool and do the analysis. See, and also once you set up this, right now, we are supporting only unique users, but in the later releases, we will support other types of aggregation. But for now, we have only unique users. And then the conversion window. See, the conversion window basically says that the visitors, total number of visitors, those who are coming in. uh, So only the visitors, those who are performing these steps within the 14 days or 1 day or 7 days, only those will be considered. Say, for example, some user came in uh, for January 1st, and then they selected wallet login on January 30th, then those users will not be calculated shown here. So you can change this number by minutes, hours, days, weeks. Say if you are running a marketing campaign, at the peak of the marketing campaign, you want to see how many users saw the marketing campaign and visited your digital decentralized apps and converted into this funnel, and you can just say hours, and you can able to track however many users those who are came in on that particular uh, moment within 14 and then 14 hours. Then you can see how many users converted, and you can change that one to say 4 hours. You are running a major marketing campaign for 4 hours, then you can able to track the all the activities within the 4 hours. And also in this, you have to change, since you are calculating on the hours, and if you are marketing, if you are running a marketing right now, then you can say today, and it will see in this example, 34 users came in, none of them came into the second step, and then none of them obviously came into the third step. So you won't see anybody. So you have to see what exactly is going on in the marketing, and you can see who are all visitors who came in by selecting this. Instantly, you can see the unique visitors, and by opening the individual visitors, you can see where they came from, what browsers they are using, and all other informations. The even properties associated to that particular user, a particular visitor, you can see it here. Like that, you can go and scroll through all other data and identify if you can able to gain insight, so that you can see how to convert these users into the second step and then ultimately to the third step. um, okay, and then you can also see, you can add a breakdown. Say, for example, if you want to, within that particular event, you want to see based on the browser, you can select browsers, and instantly it will display the browser details. Again, in the bottom, you can see the baseline. For the baseline, the total number of users came in, and then number of users used the Safari 28, Chrome 6 for the first step. And then for the second step, you can see there are 28 users used Safari, and then 6 users Chrome. Then in the third wallet, you can see there were 0 users, obviously, so it's not showing anything. So you can add the breakdown based on various event properties. Say, for example, if you want to add some other event, say city, um, or the device, whether they coming from a desktop or mobile, you can see that. And then the city based on a particular city, you can able to see that information if you want that type of breakdown. And then the steps, the order is basically it's nothing. Whether you want to create the funnel based on the sequential flow. Sequential flow, for example, you can see the tooltip here is basically anybody who completed the step A and then step B and finally step C. So those two are considered as valid for this. If you select as the step order as any order. So if you say the strict order, that means they have to go uh, page view one in this example, page view one, and then they have to go to the sequential, the strict order to the page view two, the auto capture, and then finally the wallet login. So they have to go sequentially in the right order. And if you say any order, that means some user can come to page view, and then they don't even have to go to auto capture. They can directly go to wallet login. So based on your marketing campaign, based on what you want to track, you can able to adjust this and you can able to see those visitors who came into your website or the app. So once you have this information, you can also, again, we discussed about the changing this, what exactly the time frame you are measuring, whether we are measuring it for today or yesterday, 30 days, 60 days, you can do so. And then this left to right is basically, it will change the graph. That's pretty much whether you want to see the left to right or top to bottom. So I'm changing it back to left to right because I personally like this one better than top to bottom. So once you have this information, you can just say save to save the data. So this particular test funnel is now saved. And then we discussed in the previous tool trend, traffic trends. The same way, the test funnel can also be added to a dashboard. Say, for example, I want to add this to a test dashboard. If you remember, if you have seen my previous video for traffic trends, I've shown how to create a test dashboard. And right now, what I'm doing is I am adding this test funnel into this test dashboard. If I say add, then it will be added and you can close it. And then if you go to dashboard, it will display all the dashboards that are available on AnalyticKit platform for your campaign. Under the test dashboard, I can see the new test funnel I created. So that's pretty much I want to explain in this video. Later on, we will get into all other Web2 tools. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye.